Hey, if you're looking to trim your waistline and get those abs right for summer, you're gonna wanna watch this video. I'm gonna be sharing with you my top 5 exercises when it comes to trimming your waistline, all right? So let's get right to it. Number 1, lateral V-ups. So for this exercise, you're gonna lay on your side, your hand's gonna be in front of your body at a 90-degree angle, you're gonna push through your palm and touch your toes. At the top of the movement, only your butt should be on the ground. Make sure you exhale up and squeeze your obliques. These are lateral V-ups. Now we're on to our second movement, plank hip taps. You're gonna get in a planking position, make sure your hips are level with your shoulders, and you're gonna drop your hips to the ground, alternating sides. Now we're gonna take it up a notch with some weights. You're gonna need a fixed barbell. You're gonna start with doing a leg drop, bring it back up, crunch, bar to the toes. Make sure you exhale, get your shoulder blades off the ground every time. All right, now we're on to the leg lift. You're gonna dig your forearms into the pads, let your legs hang, exhale, bring them up to your waistline. Don't swing, lift. Make sure your abs are doing the work. Now we're on to our final and 5th exercise. This is a planking cable row. What you're gonna do is get a mat. You're gonna get in a plank position, and when your arm's fully extended, you want the weight stack off of the weights. You're gonna keep your hips level, pull your elbow to your hip. Fully extend, elbow to the hip. Make sure you repeat for both sides. So again, these are my top 5 ab exercises for slimming your waistline. Again, my name is Jay with 5 Star Fitness. Hope you found this video useful. I'll see you at the gym soon.